I'll be reviewing my entry offer letter. So for this offer letter, purposefully I have deleted and manipulated few of the figures, as offer letter is confidential and I'll be not going through all the pages. I'll just take out few pages so that you you possibly know the salary structure and other variable pay, joining bonus and relocation and other stuff. So I'll not going through the 27 pages of a letter. I just go through the 4 pages where I will have the most information. So as you know, possibly my entry is Bangalore based CMM level 5 multinational company. It's his headquarter in Bangalore, and in currently Devashish Chatterjee is a CEO, which is an ex-employee of Cognizant, and my entry is also having good number of project in currently. So this employee is for technical lead role, and his experience was 9 years, and salary grade he offered is C4. So Mindtree is having C1, which is a associate or software engineer position, just for college pass out guys, and then it is C2, which is a senior software engineer having 4 to 5 years of experience. After that they have a C3 role, which is module lead, sometimes called team lead, and then after that is a technical lead. So technical lead is a kind of junior architect or architect role, and he is the last person in terms of technology, because after that from C5 onwards is a program manager, then a senior manager and the leadership. So if we just go through the salary structure, his basic earning per year is 7 lakh rupees, and his flexible allowances is 9 lakh 35,000. So these will be further breakdown to various reimbursement component. I will go through that. And PF is 84,000. So these are basically a employee contribution. So employer and employee contribution both will be deducted. Gratuity is 33,600 rupees. So this gratuity is basically taken out from the salary structure. So mostly Indian companies, they used to deduct the gratuity. So if you are not staying 4 years and 10 months, close to 5 years, you will not be eligible for this gratuity, but still they will be cutting down your gratuity. But in mostly American and US MNC, UK MNCs, they don't cut down the gratuity like Accenture and IBM, but they still give as per Indian government law. And insurance benefit, this will be deducted. So 6,600 rupees. Annual gross is 17 lakh 60,000 rupees, and they have 12% variable pay, which is 2 lakh 40,000. So I'll come about the variable pay, and total cost to company for this employee is 20 lakh 1600 rupees. So these basically 2 lakh 40,000 rupees will be equally given in each month, and it will be given 100% as per the current payout system. So even if they call it a variable pay, but you'll get it per month with a per month salary. Okay, so then if we see the insurance benefit, so insurance benefit, the good part is it is covering 5 lakh rupees self and dependent, and for parental insurance, employer needs to pay some extra amount. So 5 lakh it's covered. And then if we see the life insurance is 40 lakhs and accidental insurance coverage is 35 lakhs. Okay, now I will go to the breakdown of flexible pay. So flexible pay, employee can break down his flexible pay so that they can save some tax. So it's a convenience. Then the car allowances. Then also in C3 level, from C3 level, the car lease option is present in Mindtree. So C3 you can go for a car lease up to 6 lakh rupees, and C4 and C5 you can go for 10 lakh rupees, and C6 and C7 you can go for 15, and higher band you can purchase a expensive car. This amount will be deducted with a small amount of interest. So that is a good part, and you can still save your tax. And also you can claim the driver salary. It will be tax free. And then LTA and HRA you can claim as per the HRA and LTA rule. and also you can reimburse your broadband expenses, food coupon, and for C4 onwards, you need to contribute to NPS, National Pension Scheme, and then special pay and year-end pay, which is nothing but like this. If you do not break down your salary to this component, it will be paid after when the tax will be deducted, and the rest of the amount will be paid at the year end, that is in March. So that's all about the flexible bucket. Now if we go to the next page, we have travel. So this is basically relocation and travel. So if you see for C to C3, and C4 to C7 and C8 and higher, they have different bucket. So for the C4 employee up to 500 km, so they need to go by second tier AC or chair car or AC bus. Beyond 500 km, if the employee needs to travel to join the organization, they can book a economy air ticket. And also for initial 7 days, company would provide the accommodation, and the amount for this accommodation is 10,000 for C4 for 7 days. And okay, so that's all about the offer letter. And if you like to see the recent payslip of Mindtree, you can visit this link and see. Thank you.